Hi, my name is Charles Hatley with Malone Hatley PC, where we help good people going through divorce protect their families, their finances, and their futures. Today we're going to talk very briefly about how to protect your family while you're going through this process, specifically your children. Divorce is an emotional process on the adults. It's unimaginably emotional for the children. When working with your children through this process, one of the most important things that you can do is help them have some sense of continuity. Let them have their same schedule. Let them continue to go to their same school or daycare. Let them continue to have the same friends if that's possible. The way that you achieve that is you have a plan in place. Prior to the first order being entered, you sit down and you say, how am I going to protect my children through this process? How am I going to make sure that their day-to-day activities are not interrupted? And how am I going to make sure that they don't lose all their friends by having to move halfway across the country? We work with you to make sure that you have that plan in place, to make sure that we understand the intricacies of your family and how things are going to be impacted once the divorce process is over. The second piece of advice we give people, in addition to planning, is don't agree to something that you don't want to do when this is all said and done. For example, if one parent moves 2, 3, 4 hours away, don't agree to meet them halfway each weekend, having the children spend 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours in the car a weekend, because that may not be what's in the best interest of your children, even though seeing both parents is important. You want to make sure that you don't agree to something that you don't want to be stuck with. And so long as there's not a court order in place ordering you to do that, we can work with you to make those changes. These are just some of the reasons why we created this free resource today. A resource that you can look at and say, this is how I want to plan my children's future. These are the steps that I need to take in order to protect my children and give them continuity through this very emotional process. So sign up below and you can download this free resource. And you can read it and go through it. And hopefully it'll help you as much as it's helped plenty of our clients in the past. If you have any questions after going through this, feel free to give us a call to schedule a free 30-minute phone consultation.